Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about COSRX Master Patch Intensive. What are the different ingredients, how to use it, and what can you get by using this. It actually went viral when Hailey Bieber applied the pimple patch and showed that she uses that just to get rid of the breakout that she is having, and it just went viral because people went crazy and everyone started to talk about it and everyone started to say that, oh, this works. I just came across how many patches do you get in these. You get 36 patches, each of having like 6 and then 3, that's 18 in each. I have already used it. I loved it, so I had to make the video. So when you open this, you see that there is a plastic which holds like different sizes of the patches, and each patch contains a salicylic acid and tea tree oil. So if you have like a bigger pimple popping up and you want to get rid of it, so you can go for the bigger patches here. And if there is like a small pimple that you want to just keep it there and you want to apply makeup on it, then you can go for the smaller patches. They are here. So there are different varying sizes, so you can decide which one is perfect for you. So I'm having a pimple, active pimple coming on my nose. It's coming after a very long time actually. I never had this. So I decided on applying this. So I take like a small piece of it and you just need to peel this. Just like peel it carefully. Yeah, it's coming off. Take it. I'm gonna take from this one as it's an active end. Just place it carefully. You see this middle section? I don't know if you see the middle section, it is loaded with the salicylic acid. So you have to carefully place it. The targeted pimple should be in the middle, and voila, you did it. So this middle section, it needs to be covered by the place where there is pus, where there is like active pimple, you get like hurt by it. But when you place it on your nose, you see it doesn't even seem like you have placed this patch. It's perfectly sitting on the nose. It doesn't seem like you are with the patch. So the main ingredient in these kind of patches are the hydrocolloid. Now hydrocolloid are used for the wound healing purposes when the surgery happens. So what happens is like you have the dressing of hydrocolloid that helps to keep the area moist, to heal the area and let it heal naturally by the body. So hydrocolloid kind of makes like a moist surface and everything else inside is done by the body. It's just a patch that you have applied on the wounded place. The main ingredient here is hydrocolloid. Then comes the salicylic acid. Now why did they add salicylic acid? It's pretty simple. They wanted to actually remove all the impurities from the pore. Usually when you have a clogged pore or there is some bacterial infection or else there is dead skin cells that is accumulating in the pores, you get a breakout. The pore has been harbored by impurities that leads to formation of the breakouts like here. So the pimple patch with the hydrocolloid with administered of the salicylic acid, what does it do? It starts to clean, it starts to loosen up all the impurities from the pores. And then there is also tea tree oil, which is having the healing benefits, which tries to heal by reducing the inflammation. So it's kind of a very nice blend of different ingredients when you are adding all of it together, making a patch that's like very good. So how to use it? You can use it at the night time before going to sleep, or you can just apply it at the daytime and then continue doing all the chores of your house. So other than this, you can even use it when you have like a breakout, you picked it and you see that the pus is oozing, then you can just apply a pimple patch and keep it. But it's not good to use it on daily basis because of other reasons. That's a whole new topic that we can talk about in the channel. And the another thing that you have to keep in mind is that it doesn't work on closed pimples. You need to have an active pimple, active breakout, and that is when you apply it and it works, see, like very amazingly. But if you are having a closed pimple and you expect it to work for that, no, it's not going to work for that. And you need to also make sure that when you apply a patch, when it turns like whitish, it means that it has like bringing up all the pus from the pores, and also the bacterial levels are like taken out. So that is when you have to remove it and replace it with a new one if you need another one. If not, it's okay, you got a clean, clear face. So yeah, I have really positive thoughts about this intensive patch, but what are your thoughts about it? Write down in the comment section below and let me know, what do you think about these patches? Do you agree or do you disagree? So yeah, that is pretty much it. Make sure that you follow me on my Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle. And also do one thing, subscribe to my channel. That helps me as an influencer and a YouTuber to grow. So thank you very much for watching again. I will see you soon in another video. Take care and bye.